Page 22 by the river's edge. They're not introducing anything new, but we're using a few more notes. Yeah, whatever. I just use the same process. I trust that to get me through it. I look it over. This thing is actually 4 lines long because you got 2 lines on page 22 and 2 lines on page 23. So, okay, it's 4 lines long. The time signature is 4/4 time, and it will be for a while, but I just get in the habit of always looking at it. 4/4 time. I see a bunch of quarter notes and whole notes and half notes, so we're all here. The hands, well, again, they give you the chart, and you're going to put the right hand here and the left hand here. And the left hand, I guess we're just using 3 fingers. Whatever. I mean, you can put all the fingers on it. Use whatever. We'll use what we need. And then we try the notes, and if they're tricky, just do the note first. Slowly, of course. I speed it up because it shortens the video. Yeah, well. Then once I have the notes, I'll do the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well, this is exciting. Just remember that a whole note is the same as 4 quarter notes, so a whole note gets 4 counts. Half note gets 2. So once I have the notes figured out and the rhythm all working okay, then I add the articulation. And here they don't give us anything. However, they give you a little note up there. This should be all connected all the way through. Just connect all these notes. So I go through and I connect all the notes. You could put in phrasing if you want, but we're going to mess that up later. So just play the notes, connect the notes. And then the dynamics, P is piano for soft, light. You'll have to decide what light is. All the way through, sort of light? Light? Yeah. Sort of light is different. It needs to be light. It needs to be soft. And speed, well, it's a march tempo, although they say just quiet. Let's think of left, right, left, right, left, right. A fast march in my opinion, but if I just do a left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, to me it's a little slow. I want to speed this up a little bit more. So I do a fast march. It's my march. I can do what I want. Now they have a little note at the top is that you can put the damper pedal down on this if you want. I haven't talked about damper pedal. I'm a picky pedaler. I prefer not to introduce the pedal too much later. I want you to have a full control of what's going on the keyboard with the hands and fingers first before we add a foot to the thing. However, in this one, you're just putting the pedal down at the beginning and you're holding it down through the whole mess. You're just going to smear everything together. The pedal here is being used as an effect, a special effect. So it's this. Then the pedal and the hands all come up together at the end. Yeah, if you like it that way, that's fine. This is one of those pieces where you just kind of get lost in the sound and the combination of notes going down together, whatever, you just kind of get lost in all that harmony. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. Now, I'm not going to do this louds and softs. We're just playing notes and rhythms, and I'm not going to do the pedal because you hear the notes better without the pedal. So for this, we don't need the pedal. When you play it for yourself, you can play the pedal if you want. Use the pedal. Don't play a pedal. You use the pedal. Whatever you do with the pedal. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now there is a duet for this at the bottom of the page, so I'd like to play that. You play what you just played. But I need you to move on the piano. This doesn't sound good because the duet part is using these notes. So you need to use a different part. So go away. So actually you're going to go up 2. Just pretend that middle C goes up 2 C's. So it goes from this C to this C. And instead of here, you're up here. And you can move over to the front of where you're playing. You don't have to stay in the middle of the keyboard. You just play it up here. Play it all up here. And you can use the pedal if you want to. That's fine too. We're going to take it a little more up to speed and see what it sounds like. I'll give us 4 counts. Now, I have a little problem with these duet parts sometimes in that I have to stay with you. We have to stay together. So we need something on the beat to help us keep the beat. Because I can't follow you. I can't hear you. And so we have a lot of whole notes and half notes in this duet part. So I'm going to play quarter notes just so I can keep a beat in there so we can stay together. 1, 2, ready, go.